Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this one is a bonus video. I didn't plan to do it, but I just got in an order from a supplier in the Netherlands called youwish.nl. They basically carry a lot of Brambleberry products and also Nurture soap products. And I absolutely love them, so I had to order some things that I'm going to unbox together with you. So first of all, I would like to say that I like to recycle and reuse the packing peanuts that come in, so I always keep a big box with it and I use a bowl to help, how can I say, portion it out whenever I'm using it also for packing parcels and so forth. And if you're interested in some organizational hacks, I have a video that I will link up here in the right hand corner. That's always very good, just to recycle the things. So okay, so let's see. So this here this is so cute, is something that I'm going to use very soon for a project that you will see also here in my channel. And if you don't know what these are, well, you're gonna find out very soon. Okay, so these here are just very regular lip balm tubes or sticks. And I will need a bunch of those, and they come with the shrink wrap labels, because, or shrink wrap tubes, I don't know exactly how you call it, but I will be making a video very soon. They also come with these special tool here, so you can pour 50 balms at one time. Very practical tool, and I will have a video very soon here on my channel where I'm gonna go over the process of making the lip balms using these tools here. Okay, so next here are some fragrance oil that I will show you in just a second. Okay, so here I'm just adding the rest of the packing peanuts in my big box. I have these containers here and I'm going to open it so you can see what it is. These are little lip balm containers. And I think they're absolutely cute and adorable. I'm gonna be making a project very soon. Stay tuned. So they come in pink and in blue. Then I have a fragrance oil. This is a fragrance oil from Brambleberry. And it's one that I use very much. It's called Kentucky Bourbon. And it's a wonderful masculine fragrance oil that I'm using for different kind of soaps, shaving soaps, beard oil and so forth. And then I ordered a fragrance oil that I never tried before, but I heard about it, and it is a fragrance oil from Nurture soap called Lemon Pound Cake, and I was really very curious to find out about it, so here it is. I just want to smell and see. Smells just like lemon cake. I can even feel the smell of the powdered sugar on top. It is just amazing. Spot on. Same fragrance as the real thing. So I have an exact idea what I want to do with this. Here are the molds that I just got recently from a local shop. And then there's another fragrance oil that I heard about already since a long time, and it's called Champagne, and this is from Brambleberry. And it's true, it exactly smells like the real thing. And they say that it is a good idea also to mix it with some other like kind of berry or fruity fragrances, and then it will add this fizzy, champagne-y kind of touch to it. So I'm very, very excited to be using these two fragrance oil for a New Year's project, let's say. So here you can see the little lip balm pots, very cute, with a tool for the 50 lip balms. I'm going to be sharing my entire process of how I make lip balms, like from the pouring to the labeling and shrink wrapping. Please stay tuned if you're interested. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in more skincare, DIY projects or soap making, consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you around very soon for another video. Until then, I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye bye.